Stop scrolling, your Claude code agent isn't alive yet, but it could be, and it's shockingly easy. No, we're not talking about Frankenstein's monster, but launching your AI agent to actually do stuff in the real world. According to a Reddit hero over in our automation, getting your Claude code agent live basically means connecting that chatbot brain to real APIs and workflows, kind of like giving it a driver's license so it can legally run errands online. Key nugget number one, it's about hooking Claude up to datagen.dev, a playground for letting AI agents interact with data and external commands without turning into Skynet, hopefully. Second, the process includes setting triggers that tell your agent when to act, making it less of a chatbot wallflower and more like that one colleague who actually responds on time. And of course, all this raises a little eyebrow. Why hasn't big tech made this smoother already? Meanwhile, indie devs are basically out here turning AI into digital assistants that do your bidding, not the other way around. So tell me, would you trust your Claude agent to handle your online errands? Or is this the AI version of hold my beer? Drop your thoughts below.